Michelle. And my son Wesley. Michelle's very gentle and friendly with little children. Who's this, Wesley? Michelle. And who's this? Who's this? This is Deepo. It's the first time you're meeting Deepo? Look at how friendly, that tail wagging. Good boy, Deepo. Good boy, Deepo. What a good boy. Michelle. Hey, Oliver. Where's Michelle? Do you remember? They're all black. This is Michelle. That's right. This is little Michelle. What are you talking, baby? And there's Oliver playing with Deepo.